do some stuff. Come on. There we go, come on, let's get some stuff on here, some bugs and some fresh neck, come on, there we go, come on now, come on, there we go, come on, Sheldon, come on lady, come on hands over girl, come on, there we go, come on son. Hello, man. What are you doing in there? No, that's not your nest. Come on. Hey. Come on. Hello, son. Hello, son. I know, son, I know. Yeah, very close to the girl. Yeah, there we go. Get there, Rose, get there. There we go, come on. Oh no, you can do that, Okay, come on. I know, come on. There. Again. Yeah. Push, lady, come on. Come on in. You shouldn't have been there. Come on here. I hope the boat is up, Come on, hen, come on, girl. Come on, hen, come on, girl. Come on. Come on, you. Come on. That's the game. Didn't you get? Come on, come on. Come on, that's the game. Let me see. You should have been there. Come on. You got a hatchet. Yeah. No, let's see. Hey, that one no hatch. Go on there. I think it's the one. Come on then, cover boy. Again, come on, cover boy. Come on, cover boy. I know, you're doing this work, aren't you? Come on, son, that's the game. Come on, son. Come on. That's the game. Come on, there you go. Well, I've just been in here checking the loft, getting the doors out. Just making sure everything's 100%, you know. But as you can see, I'll turn the camera around this time now, you can see them on their boxes better. There you go. There you go. He's a brobby pigeon, that. He really is. He really is. I like that wee pigeon. I can't wait to race him on Witherhood. He'll give me some good results, that wee cock. This is for him. Here he is. There he is. This is a Pigeon World John Arden. I'm going to race him this year on Witherhood. I've had him for 3 years now, so he's paired to a John Arden hen as well for a Pigeon World. He's a dark checker. There you go. This is a Red-Tooth Johnson. He's a wee cock, a broad wee pigeon. There's no long leg. It's a cracking wee thing, isn't he? Look at him, sitting there happy and contented. Look at him quivering. Next door we've got, here we go, look at that. First babies of the season. Oh, did you see that? What a skill that was, eh? Yeah, so this pair here gave me the first babies of the season. Her eggs were the first to hatch. Upstairs, here we go, what's in here? Whee! This is a wee cock here. He's a froggy pigeon now. This is a Herman's Cooster. A lot of fighting going on next door here, come on. This wee pigeon here, he will give me great results this year on the Witherhood. He took a ticket for 157 miles, I think he was fourth in the club for 157 miles. A cracking wee pigeon. Right, who's doing all the fighting next door? Aye, that's no yearbox, is it? That's a whale of Pigeon World, John Arden. She was part of a kit of 10 that you buy for 110, 190 quid. Look at this wee hen here, down here. I know, come on. I know, come on. Settle down there. That's just a new hen that I've got into this box. She's not really sure where she's gone yet. Come on then. Come on then. And we've got a pair of eggs in here. A cracking pair of pigeons here. She's no long laid. I remember this wee cock here in one of my last videos. He was paired to a red checker hen, and I lost her, so I had to pair him. I had to pair him with this wee hen at the back. She's a Pigeon World Staff Van Ree. That's what she is, wee checker at the back. Here we go. This is a wee cock. He's a Red-Tooth Johnson. A cracking wee pigeon that. I just took his parents back to the person that gave me a loan of the birds last 2019. I got a loan of some pigeons for walking in Wilson for St. Ab, so I just returned them yesterday. Hey. That's a John Arden too, the wee dark checker cock. That's it, come on, that's again, come on. Well, that'll be that then, so I'll speak to you all later. Cheery, cheery.